Health Tips by Shah Ji present a new video. Thanks for watching.
A comprehensive guide to rebuilding your knees and joints. Before you start any workout, warm up your muscles to prevent injury. Increase blood flow and flexibility. Strengthening your muscles is important, but don't forget to improve your flexibility. Increase your range of motion. After your workout, cool down to help your body recover. Reduce muscle soreness and prevent injury. Be safe when exercising, especially if you're rebuilding your knees and joints. Here are a few safety tips to keep in mind. Rebuilding your knees and joints takes time and effort. With dedication and patience, you can achieve your goals and improve your overall health and fitness. Increase blood flow and flexibility with light cardio exercises like jumping jacks, jogging in place, high knees, and butt kicks. Once warmed up, do dynamic stretches to improve your range of motion. Try leg swings, arm circles, and torso twists. Now that you're warmed up, it's time to strengthen your muscles to support your joints and reduce pain. Squats, lunges, leg extensions, and hamstring curls are great exercises for your knees and joints. In addition to strengthening, improve your flexibility to increase your range of motion. After your workout, cool down to help your body recover and reduce muscle soreness. Walk, stretch, and use a foam roller to aid in recovery. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard. Start slowly and gradually increase intensity. Rest and recover properly between workouts. Eat a healthy diet and get enough sleep. If you have any pain or concerns, see a doctor or physical therapist. Exercise safely when rebuilding your knees and joints. Listen to your body and use proper form.
Medical information disclaimer. This video contains general medical information. The information in this video is only for educational purposes. The medical information is not advice and should not be treated as such. You must not rely on the information in our videos as an alternative to medical advice from your doctor or other professional healthcare provider.
If you like my video, please watch and subscribe.